Hi, welcome to Primasing Motors. I'm Eric, your sales guy, and it's been a while since we've done a how-to video. So today, it's a nice sunny day, and I wanted to show you guys a really cool standard feature on an ultimate Denali equipped vehicle. That covers a GMC Acadia, a Yukon, Yukon XL, and as for the trucks, it covers a Sierra 1500 and both the heavy-duty trucks. In particular today, we are in a 2026 Sierra 3500 Ultimate Denali. Let's go. First things first, when you start your vehicle, you have the big 14.3-inch infotainment screen. You're able to access the massage seats via the controls in the seat, which I will be showing you soon. But just to show you what it looks like, when you trigger a knob on the side of your seat, you'll be able to access the back bolster massage function, as well as the upper shoulder and lumbar settings. On any regular Denali trim level vehicles, you'll find a 12-way power driver seat. When it comes to an ultimate Denali equipped GMC vehicle, you have a 16-way power seat. What does that mean? Well, you're able to adjust the side bolsters, whether you're skinnier or bigger, or you just want to find the most comfortable spot for you. These side bolsters can adjust just with the push of a button. You're also able to adjust the aggressiveness of the bolster for the top for your shoulders and also your lumbar support. You're able to access these between the traditional buttons, but you get this extra knob with the up and down function of the inner button over here to adjust the side bolsters, shoulder, lumbar, and also pick how aggressive you want the massage and pick which massage setting you want. Now, in order to cycle through the different menus on the massage functions, you can just click the rolling bar over here to go from lumbar, back bolster, massage, upper shoulder. And in this case, once we land on the massage one, we can definitely click it side to side to adjust the intensity. In this case, I need a massage. Rolling kind. You could also knead, wave, and do a relief mode for it too. And when you go to your upper shoulders, you can just also press the right and left to adjust the aggressiveness for your shoulders. Also works with the lumbar and the side back bolsters for better driving and comfortability, especially for those long hauls. You can definitely pair it with cooled seats since it's a 90-degree kind of weather day here in Oregon, or if it's cold, you want to put the heated seat and back for you while you're getting massage. It definitely works, and it's a really nice feature to have in your ultimate Denali equipped GMC product. Let us know if you have any questions. I hope that helps. And if you're sitting in your driveway or whether you have a long interstate driving, please use this function, but drive carefully and always be safe. Let us know in the comments if there's any specific feature or function you want us to cover. I'd be more than happy to help. Come see us here at Primasing Motors right here in Lebanon, Oregon. Thank you so much and have a great day.